Welcome my top 10 people I would trust with my last slice of pizza. Please remember this is not financial advice.
Yesterday, Bitcoin printed a strong green candle that closed above both the 21-day EMA and the 200-week SMA and took out the previous swing high. Right now, we are still sitting comfortably in the upper portion of that candle, which keeps the short-term momentum looking pretty constructive. On the momentum side, the daily RSI has moved back above 50, giving us a bullish signal for the near term. That said, the weekly RSI remains below 40, so while the shorter timeframe is showing strength, the bigger picture still leans bearish. Turning to the monthly liquidation heat map, we are seeing a large cluster of liquidity stacked up to around $67,000 and down to the $57,000 level. This setup suggests price could first sweep some liquidity on the upside before any serious downside move plays out. The key resistance zone sits near $66,000, and if the bears manage to defend that area, we could see a push lower that takes out the $57,000 level. On the volatility front, Bitcoin's Devo closed the red candle yesterday, broke below the weekly low, and is now trending lower overall. There's generally a positive development for Bitcoin's price action. The current support level can still hold for now, but it's not looking particularly strong. Shifting to the macro picture, the dollar is testing its 21-day EMA and the weekly open. Despite repeated attempts by the bears to push it lower, it continues to hold that support. If the dollar finally breaks down through this zone, it could open up some breathing room for risk assets like Bitcoin. We are still trading below the short-term holder realized price, which is hovering around the $68,000 mark. On a positive note, ETF flows came in positive yesterday, lining up nicely with Bitcoin's strong session. And that's why I posted on X. MVRV still hasn't entered the red zone, signaling bearish structure and capitulation risk. Bitcoin's long-term holder net unrealized profit loss has not yet triggered a bullish signal against its 60-day simple moving average. So what do you think? Has Bitcoin truly bottomed? Or is the real capitulation still ahead? Let me know in the comments. Have a nice day. Bye.